Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about line spacing and paragraph spacing in Microsoft Word. When we start to design and format our document, we need to consider line and paragraph spacing. We can increase the spacing to improve the readability of the document, and we can reduce it for fitting more content on the page. First, let us see what is this line spacing. Line spacing is the space between each line in a paragraph. Word allows us to customize line spacing to be single spaced, double spaced, or to any other amount which we want. The default line spacing is 1.08, which is slightly greater than single line spacing. To apply a line spacing, first we need to highlight. Since I am planning here for the whole paragraph in my document, I just press Control A to highlight the entire document. Then the line spacing is available inside your Home tab, Paragraph group. Here is the line spacing button. I can see options like 1.15, 1.5. So when I move the mouse over these options, you can see how the spacing is allotted between lines in the paragraph. So suppose I take here 1.5, you can see it increases the readability of our document. There are more gap between the lines in our paragraph. Again, if you want to give something different which is not visible inside the line spacing menu, we can even make use of the line spacing options. Line spacing options, we can specify the number here, then you click OK to give a different line spacing which is not visible inside the menu. Next is the paragraph spacing. Same like formatting spacing between lines inside a paragraph. We can adjust spacing before and after paragraph. This is very useful for separating paragraphs. So in this document, we are going to give a space between the paragraphs in the document. So first of all, I need to highlight the document. So I am selecting with the Control A. The entire document is highlighted now. We are using the same button, which is in the Home tab in the Paragraph group, line spacing. So if you want to give spacing between paragraph, that is before the paragraph, if we need, we will use the option add space before paragraph. The same option is available like add space after paragraph. And if we need more customized spacing between these paragraphs, we can make use of the line spacing option. You can see the option spacing before and after. So if you prefer spacing before your paragraph, you can specify a number here. After paragraph, we can select a number here. So this will help us to customize our paragraph spacing option. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for more useful videos.